Hey mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is The Unemployed Geek. And by the thumbnail, you may understood that today I'm going to talk about Invisible Cloak from Harry Potter movie. So this is a beautiful example of image processing. So basically, the concept behind this thing is if I could see through an object, what's the background is, then I could say that object is got invisible. In layman term, if I say if I can replace the object segment by its background, then I could achieve invisibility. So for doing that, so as you can see in my screen that small kid got invisible behind that cloak. Basically it is a blue color cloak, and I have used two techniques to make or to achieve this invisibility. One is segmentation and another is masking. So basically I'm going to use opencv for this to process the image, and here we will use HSV transformation because when CV2 reads the image, it is in BGR format like RGB only, so it reads the image as BGR. So now I have to, there are three color channel, red, green and blue. Okay, so now I have to convert it into one particular color code. So for me in this case it is blue, so I have to find out the blue segment in my image. So here HSV transformation stands for H, S and V. So H stands for hue, which is my main color. A stands for saturation, means how much white color is blended with my main color. So V is also an amount by which my main color got blended with black. So here H relies between 0 to 180, saturation relies between 0 to 255, and value is relying to 0 to 255. Then we have to apply masking. So after HSV transformation, we could get the area or the segment where my blue value is visible, blue area is visible. Now I have to mask it. I have to mask it by the background. Once we got that color code or the particular color where it is spreaded on that image, I have to replace that particular part by the background. Then we could achieve this thing. Likewise, if you can see the images I am displaying here, the first one is the original image, and I want to make the blue area invisible. That means I have to find out the blue segment or area in that image. In second image, I have applied the mask on the background. That means I have cropped the area of my segment from the background. In third image, I have applied the mask outside of my segment or blue area. And in the last image, I just have added both the image matrices. That means my cropped area will be applied on my masked area, and you can see the end result in the fourth image. See, I can clearly see the background through that image, through that masked area. So that is the concept. So let's dig into the code part. So now let me show you what is my background. This is my background, and this particular image is my HSV color codes, and this is my video file which I am going to use for this illustration. So now let me import the necessary libraries for this part. So two main libraries I'm going to use here. One is numpy and another is opencv. So let's import them. Now I have imported those libraries. Now I have to read the background as well as the video I'm going to use. So let's read them one by one. So by doing this, I can capture the image, the background, and the video. So now I have to process the video. That means I have to process each video frame one by one. So let's read the video frame by frame. And here I'm converting this frame into HSV. So I have to give BGR to HSV. So now this will convert my image or my frame into HSV color segment. Now I have to give the upper limit and lower limit for my particular color which I want to be replaced. So if I show you from this image, we could understand that blue color is the lower limit of blue color is starting from somewhere here. Okay, from this 90 onwards, and it is going till the range 130. So my lower limit will be 90, sorry 94, and my upper limit will be somewhere here 130. So let's do that. So this is my lower limit of blue color, 94, 80, and V is 2, and upper limit for blue equals to np dot array of 130 and 255. Okay, that's it. Now I have put it my lower limit and upper limit. Now I have to put my mask on that, on the basis of that color segment. Bitwise, and because I want to find out the area where my blue segment is available. Till this point I have extracted color segment from the background. Now I have to apply this segment on my real video frame, or you can say on my frame. So let's do that. Now I have to concatenate or add these two image matrix so that I could replace the background on the color segment of the frame. So now I just have to close. Now I have to close the input stream I have opened for CV2. let's run this code and let's see what is the result. So as you can see, my background got replaced by this blue color segment. That's why that small kid is got invisible. Thank you. That's it for today. And please do like, share and subscribe and keep supporting. Thank you. Bye bye.